Good morning, students. So, in the last video, we have learned about some extraordinary and good things about Emperor Akbar and one of his Navratnas, King Birbal. Okay, so in this video, we will see one of their story. Okay, one day the emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. So one day emperor entered in the court, okay, but he was very serious, okay. Something was happened. As soon as he was seated, he as soon as he was seated, he said, I have a question for all of you. So here you can see that he was seated, okay, on his chair, and he asked one question to courtiers. I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? So, you know that Akbar was interested in posing questions in the court. Okay. So, he has one question. He asked that, what should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? So, someone had pulled Emperor Akbar's mustache. So he was very angry and he was asking to all his courtiers that what should be punishment for that culprit. Okay. The court was stunned. Pull the emperor's mustache. It was unheard of. So the court was stunned. Stunned means shocked. All the courtiers were shocked that how can anyone pull the emperor's mustache? It was the new crime. Okay, they were never heard about such crime. Okay, before that, so they were surprised. So let's see what they suggest to the king. Flog him, give him 50 lashes of the whip, exclaimed one nobleman. So one nobleman means one courtier said that flog him, okay, means beat him. Beat someone hard. Flog means beat someone hard. Okay, so one of the courtiers suggested that flog him. Give him 50 lashes of the whip. Okay. So here whip is the thing that is used to beat the culprits. Okay. So whip is a stick like thing, okay, which is extended by a string. Okay. So that is used to beat anyone, any culprits. Okay. So one suggested that beat him. Now let's see what another suggests. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. So the another courtier said that that's not enough. So he thought that this punishment is not sufficient for such a grave offense. Okay. So he suggested that put him in jail and don't give food and water to him. Okay, so that he will die in some days. Okay, himself. So this punishment was suggested by another courtier. Okay. Now let's see what other courtiers suggest. Whip him, beat him up, hang him, cut off his offending hands. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. Okay, began to cry out means they are telling that very loudly, very angrily. So all the courtiers were very angry, and this one courtier said that whip him, beat him up. He told that hang him and cut off his offending hands. So all the courtiers were very angry. Someone is suggesting to beat him, okay, with the whip. Someone is suggesting not to give him food and water. Someone is suggesting to hang him, cut off his offending hands. So let's see what Akbar do. Okay. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. But out of this all courteous, Birbal was silent. He was even smiling. So everyone was surprised why Birbal was silent and even he is smiling. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? So someone asked to Birbal that, what do you say? What is your opinion? So let's see what Birbal says. In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Okay, so this is Birbal. Okay, so let's see what he suggests. O giver of peace to the world. So he is addressing to Emperor Akbar, O giver of peace, as he was a very silent person, okay, and he was spreading peace to the world, okay, in his kingdom. So he addressed him as O giver of peace, okay. Offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. So he told that the offender, means the culprit, should be given his favorite sweetmeats. So everyone was surprised. How Birbal can suggest this punishment for someone who pulled Emperor Akbar's mustache? Okay. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweetmeats for such a grave offense. The courtiers began to say. So courtiers were surprised. Okay, how Birbal can say like that? Okay, so they asked Birbal, are you out of your mind? Are you mad? Give sweetmeats for such a grave offense. Grave means serious. Means for such a big, serious offense, give sweetmeats for such thing. Are you mad? So let's see what Birbal replies to that. Birbal smiled and offered an explanation. So Birbal smiled and is ready for giving explanation. Okay. Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. So what Birbal told? Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? So it is common, no? How anyone can dare to touch even touch the emperor's mustache? Okay, everyone was getting afraid of Emperor Akbar. Okay, so how any person can dare to even touch Emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. So sometimes while playing with children, they do such things, no? So he thought that only his grandson can do that. Okay. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what had happened in the morning. So Akbar heard that and he burst out laughing. So he laughed very loudly, okay, because that is exactly what had happened in the morning. So in the morning, while playing with his grandson has pulled his mustache and he just trying to get the answers from his courtiers. Okay, so students, we should think on some things in different aspects. Okay, always flog means or to beat is not the option, is not the punishment for all things. Okay, we should think in different way. Okay, so Birbal was very clever. Okay, he got that answer. Okay, he thought in a different way. Okay, so this is the moral of the story. Okay, thank you.